Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Peters Autovlog. Here right in front of the 2024 Cadillac Escalade V. Now here we are at the Cadillac Racing booth here at the 12 Hrs of Sebring, looking at this absolutely stunning, gorgeous, and very expensive, very fast SUV. Now this one here is finished off in a something black. I forgot the color. I'll put that name for you guys up on the screen. But this is powered by the same power plant as the CTS V. Blackwing, 682 horsepower in this Escalade turbocharged V8, 6.2 liter, of course 4-wheel drive, and going through this 22-inch huge 275mm tires with absolutely huge, so it's got to be at least 6-piston caliper in the front. Just a massive car. So this one here is the shorter wheelbase version. You can also get them in the extended or the kind of suburban long version. Really cool the way this is. Let's go check out the interior of this Caddy. So as you can see here, now we got a chance to take a look at. Thank you to the Cadillac gentleman. So you see we have the huge screens here, fantastic interior. Looking at the panoramic sunroof, and just look at the seats. The seats are fantastic. Look at speakers here as well. Perforated, I'm sure they're cooled and heated. Heated steering wheel. Look at that. It's got probably some sensors here as well, some sort of information, but probably the sensors for Cadillac's. I lost the name of the Cadillac's self-driving feature. I'll put that on the screen for you guys, but take a look at all the interior. I love all the stitching and everything. It looks fantastic. Controls for windows and mirrors. Basically looks like a also, yeah, look at this, all kinds of seating and ventilation as well. I don't know if there might be heating and massage seats as well, but at this price point you might be able to get them. But awesome interior. As you can see, we got the center console right here, more USB ports. Really cool. Got probably a 10-speed automatic transmission there. All your drive modes here. Wow, really a fantastic looking vehicle. Let me know what you guys think. So $161,000 for this luxurious SUV. Wow, pretty impressive. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and close the door. Take a look at inside. I love the paint. You can tell the brightness of that metallic paint. It looks fantastic. And yes, it is almost $155,000. So actually 161, as this one is finished off, or this one is option off, but a fantastic looking SUV. So if you guys saw some of the video yesterday that I did of the exterior, now we got a little bit of interior taste, but a really cool looking Cadillac Escalade V, and this is the shorter version, if I remind you guys. So let me know what you guys think of this awesome Cadillac. We'll take a look at the interior on this side, and yeah, this is beautiful interior. Look at the leather seating on this. Got the speakers on the headrest. Wow, really impressive. And I wish you could smell the leather. The leather smells fantastic. I love the shine here on, basically looks like a wood gloss interior. Awesome interior to this Escalade V. I gotta get to drive one of these girls and see, experience it for sure. But let me know what you guys think of this massively horse-powered Escalade V. I'm glad this exists. I kind of just take my hats off to Cadillac that a car like this exists, because we don't need it, but I do like to have it and drive it. So this is pretty cool. As you can see, guys, we got, I believe it's the 20th here, 20th years of a V, if I'm correct, which is pretty cool. And just so happy. I'm just awesome that you see that Cadillac offers such performance cars, especially those both, you know, CTS 5 Blackwing and the CT4 Blackwing. One of the, you know, some of the best performance in sports sedans there is on the market today, even with on par, if not a little bit better sometimes than the Germans. But would you do $155,000 for something like this? It's a lot of money, but I'm sure a lot of people love this, because here in the Americas, we love our SUVs. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment, subscribe, guys. Appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.